How to create cartoon videos on mobile. In this tutorial, I will be reading to you a step-by-step process on how to do it. Step 1. If you are new to Animaker, sign up here. If you are already a member, you can click on here to log in. Step 2 is exploring the dashboard. You will get redirected to the dashboard, where you can see various templates for different use cases. To preview a template, hover over it and click on the preview option. Step 3. Choosing the perfect template. Now, let's create an explainer video for a business. So let's search for the word explainer on the search tab. This lists several explainer videos. First, let's select the template to promote your product or service. This launches the template as a new project. This is how the interface of Animaker looks. You will notice how the template is filled with everything a video must have, from the content and context to the music. So all you have to do is to swap the elements in it as per your needs and then export it. On step 4, editing text. Let's start by editing the text in the scene. To edit it, click on the text and start typing. Once you click the text, you will notice the text setting tab open. You can change the text setting like font, size, color, transparency, alignment, and etc. Now, this is how the changed text looks. On the timeline, you will notice that the text has two parts, a pink section and a purple section. The pink section indicates the duration of the text. And then on step 5, adding or editing the character. Now let's move on to editing the character. Click on the character on the scene. You will notice the Actions tab open on the right side. This tab has 1,000 plus actions. Now let's try changing the action of the character. Simply enter the action you want in the search tab and apply it to the character by clicking on the action. One click equals swish, flick, magic. Adjacent to the Actions tab is the Expressions tab. You can make your character an expressions king, queen, or person by selecting from the 20 plus expressions. If you want to replace the character, there are also options. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.